In this video, we're going to show you how to add staff. To start, go to your dashboard and click Staff. We're going to add a new staff. Add the first name of the staff, the last name, their email address, and the phone number. And click on Create Staff. Now we're going to manage the permissions for the staff. Go under the name and click Manage Permissions. Here you can see all of the tasks that are available. We're going to do some modifications so we can see the changes. I'm going to manage the product permissions so that we can see the changes when the staff logs in. You're going to update permission, and by now your staff should have received their email. They are going to see their username and a link to set their password. You're going to be given a generic password. Do change it if you'd like and save the password. Now we're going to sign in and check the changes we've made. Let's scroll down to product and see the changes we've made. As you can see, the staff cannot delete the product. Thank you for watching. Click the video on the screen to learn more about ShopPaddi.